Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my vlog at Manay Mirna 5.5. Kain po tayo sa breakfast. Another day, another life. Another day, another breakfast. So, ngayon, i-flex ko lang sa inyo yung say hi.
What?
Hi! Kagigising lang namin lahat dito pero nakapagluto na ako. So ito ang breakfast ko ngayon. I-flex ko lang. Ano ako kay Laray Didi Hadagami kay Friday. Ako isda nagtula with ganas. Tapos may sausawan ako nga sinabado. May sausawan ako nga sinabado. Tapos wala yak mag-coffee kay ati pagkuhan na lang kuhan yung sabaw. Sabaw na akong limbutan hindi. An akong coffee white. Tapos may da kami didiolohin, marinated na bangos. Pero may dagang kulad kung magamaro yan. Itong kanervan. Adian sobrang air breakfast. Pero kami ini and of course rice is life. So, ito, kumusta man kayo? Anong agahan nyo ngayon? Pamahaw kitahin, pamahawhin pobrihanon. Yadahin mo day kami din natili. So, asya niya na itamon breakfast. Say hi to the vlog. Diri man ba. So, kain po tayo. It's so maharang. Maharang guys kay anharang gingkuan ni MJ yun pisa. Anakong saring ayaw la pisa. Diri kay kukuan kayo. Oh, sige. Adim tapamahaw, ganas, tapos may dangay ang kami di dessert nga. Pinalit gihapla ini halaray nga. Ano nga rin? Kasaba. Kasaba cake. Adiman, kasaba cake. So, sausaw natin is ganas. Didihit sinabado. Bikita ko baga. Waray pa mamaganalo tao. Sinabado nga lawlaw. Oh. Apa?
Surat ini misalnya untuk kita yang sana.
Ang hilaw la. Di nama. Namahaw pala kami pero nag-istorya lot kami kitapis na. Namahaw pala kami ito guys. Tapos, dire pa ko na nakag-exercise. Kay, kuan. Pag maulol man yan na taktil kanan mga kinaon adang sapit-sapit na lechon. So, wala ko exercise yan. Marap daw. Amang isda. Rice is life. Shout out to everyone. Shout out tanan hit mga bugto ni Madilinlin dira ha Tacloban nga permi daw hira nagwa-watch it akon vlog. So thank you ha iyo guys. Need na guys takbuhok karinuhan baga oily na. Tapos especially kan Madilinlin kay permi nga nagkikita akong balayi pero pag-attend ko iya birthday naya ka nito niya mga bugto nga pero mihira daw nagwawat. So shout out sa iyo tanan. Ano to? Pangaon kita. Marosa idam. Pamahaw kay presko na ganas with ano ito?
Apa?
Ano eh? Adi Nirvana na parunganan niya TV. Ako ginihigop deri yun okay. Sabaw nga
Teacher, the what I did it.
Oh, that's good. Nirvana, can you shout out in my vlog? Shout out guys. This is Nirvana. O, ito na. May dyan na TV. Ito gusto niya hiyat nagbablog guys. Shout out gihapon kan Ma'am Grace adi Nirvana long weekend. Waray ni mo may interview yan na. Nag-istorya gapi ya Ma'am Grace sa amon kanya mami nga. Ma'am Grace ko no. Ano to, Nirvana? Did Ma'am Grace went into your room or you went to the office? Ha?
Mama,
Hmm.
can you balag to
What? Oh, may anay. Dadadong ko rin. Aba daw, so ma-shoutout nala ako kay Adi at magpa-vlog. So what will you say? What will you say to the vlog? Sige na, tell a story to them,
Where's
okay?
my pencil?
Where did you put the pencil? Alright, man.
Brings back memories. Oh, I just thought.
Alright.
Well, I better tell you. Your real world story.
I see it.
Did you found it?
Yes, I do.
Okay, talk to the vlog nala.
School can't be as bad as I think. Hey, weird
Yan nala guys, mag-vlog kay Mapos you.
friendly. Yeah, friendly. Nice up here. Is this really happening? Real friends? Finally, someone to play with. Oh yes, I can't wait. I've always wanted to do a picnic. Oh, it's going to be amazing. Hey, that weird woman is talking to you. That one over there.
I just wanted to say I love you once more.
Bye, Mom. She's flying. Aren't you
Don't say that.
So how does it feel to have a freak for a mom? Can she even walk properly? Please just stop it, Mommy. No teachers around. Still, take this, you freak. What they did to me? Why can't you be a normal mom?
Agatha, come here. Everything will be fine.
Mom,
You need to calm down and just...
stop it. You don't get it. I'm really hungry. I'm not sure I would know. I didn't want any anyway. What? Where did this come
You
from?
forgot your lunch, honey.
Mom.
I didn't want you to miss lunch.
No. Mom, you have to leave, please.
Okay, I'll leave you
I hope
alone.
they didn't see me. Oh my god, the freak cook! Can she even see what she puts on your food? Fix it! Why are you doing it? Food is clean! Come on, spit it out! I bet she fell with it. Why did I do it at you? I told you to leave me alone!
Agatha, I just wanted to help, sweetie.
Say hi to the vlog kay makaparong ito. Nagbibitoy. You will not know.
I don't to vlog.
Ay kanita quarter. Ginuli na luot niya guys. Di rin na hiya magpa-vlog. Kaya mo niya nawara nga paraphernalia. So thank you guys for watching my small vlog na ng senior citizen sa Florida nakikibaka pero nandito ngayon sa Pilipinas. So we just woke up. Oray talaga hindi mga edit-edit. Oray huro. Basta mag-vlog. So shout out tak mga umangkon, tak mga kabugtuan nga always watching my vlog. And team Peñaflor may hospital kan Flynn kan impress yang kan balay mi nga pero may kap nakikita. So thank you thank you guys. So mula initam breakfast.
Shout out, Madel.
Shout out kan Madel. Ati-ati na shout out kan Madel. At si Madel, shout out. So baga-amo ini. Yan, karasa. Ito i-off ko na ini nga kay para makakaon. Baga opay pagkaon kay may dalaw-law. Niyan saging init ang bibili ng lot niya pa di sitlaw. Nakapanmerkado kay Laray. So, always ingat-ingat kayo. Shoutout nga to anak family of Florida. Mupay na lang waray madam ano hingan tohan amon lugar hin storm. Thank you so much Lord. Answered prayer again. So shoutout Chloe, love you, and Cloud Stripe, miss you mama, miss you so much. So, makontento. Again, palaging makontento kung anong meron tayo para palaging masaya. Happy lang. Bye. God bless.